We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
For some authors, the written word is often their only escape from the hardships of life. Zhong Lihe's life was one of adversity and searching for acceptance. He grew up in a Hakka hamlet during the early part of the 20th century in Pingdong County, where his father was a successful businessman. Despite his love for literature, he did poorly in school and never achieved the academic success he desired. He often clashed with his father, who was very old-fashioned in his thinking. Working for his father, he met the woman of his dreams. But due to a taboo against men marrying a bride with the same family name, they were forced to elope. They traveled all the way to Manchuria, which at that time, like Taiwan, was under Japanese rule. Many years later, after the World War II, he finally returned to Taiwan. He enjoyed putting his thoughts to words, discussing the injustices of life and the beauty of simple everyday people. Throughout his life, he suffered ill health and died when only 46. However, in his declining years, his writing finally achieved the attention he so rightly deserved.
Hello everyone and welcome back to our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alex Pong.
你好 Alice. You know, last time we talked about strawberries. Just a little review right here. I went to Dahu in Miaoli, okay? And there's a lot of Hakka people there. I was running low on gas trying to find strawberries, and I had to ask some Hakka people, where is, the nearest gas station? 这要怎么问呢？
請問一下，哪位有加油站？
請問一下 which means, may I ask you?
哪位有加油站？
I like that. 哪位有 is where is 加油站？就是加油站吗？这是 gas station 啊。請問一下哪裡有加油站？ All right. And let's say I already arrived at the gas station and I want to tell them to fill up my tank. 要加滿油。
加鹽。加鹽。
加做的加鹽。加鹽嘛。
加鹽就是加滿嗎？
加滿了，加鹽
來啊。
加鹽就是加滿。那如果只要加500而已的話呢？
加500。
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 因為通常我很小氣，都是一次加500塊而已。So if you want to fill up your tank, it's 加鹽. And if you just want to add about 500 NT's worth of gasoline, just say 加500. Okay, thank you very much for listening to our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.
什麼大家俺知識？
張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.